VPN. What is VPN? Virtual Private Network. What is VPN? How it works? So virtual private network, the question is virtual. Virtual means something which is there but not present, not in front of everyone. It is existing. Private means in between you, your company, your organization, your family. A network is connectivity. So any network which is your private network and which is not available to everyone, or you are not available to everyone, this is virtual private network. Please remember, proxy server and virtual private network, they are often talked together because they do almost the same thing. Not that much which VPN does. So NordVPN, ExpressVPN, there are so many VPNs available. So virtual private network is the short form of VPN, and this is a secure connection between you as a user and the internet, that is internetworks. So secure means it is safe, it is virtual, and VPN, the most important thing is the data which you are sending, that is you are uploading, you are searching, you are downloading, all the content is encrypted. That is, the IP is hidden and the encryption is done. Okay. So this IP is first of all, secured. It is not exposed. And then second thing what VPN does is make a tunnel. That is, it encrypts your data and it goes inside like a tunnel. So 1, 2, 3 is going, it may go as $A_. And then it is decrypted at the destination. So IP and this second part, encryption, is very important. So this, why we do this? It prevents unauthorized people, those people who may be a hacker, who may want to destroy your things, like they eavesdrop. So this kind of encryption, the traffic which goes is safe and secure, and you can conduct your communication remotely. So as I said, IP may be 11.22.33.44. This is your IP. When it goes through the VPN client and then the VPN server, the IP can be 22.33.44.55. And now the IP is changed. Also, it goes through a tunnel, that is through encryption. So VPN hides the user's actual IP address and tunnels the traffic between the user device and the remote server. So you are getting various privacy and anonymity of extra layer. So it hides your internet connectivity, your location cannot be tracked, you can freely browse on the internet without any constraint, and also safely and anonymously. So who are going to use VPN? What can a VPN do for you as an application? If privacy is important, then you should use VPN every time you connect to the networks, that is internet. Okay. This VPN actually runs in the background. So once you run this VPN, virtual private network, you're browsing, chatting, gaming, downloading, everything can be done because this VPN is working on the background. So first thing, it hides your IP. Second thing, the data is encrypted, and this encrypted data is not even known to your ISP. So if you are traveling, you are relaxing, you are using the public Wi-Fi, you are gaming, you are sharing your file, or even shopping. So here the basic concept is that you want to be safe and secure from the denial of attacks, from the eavesdropper, from the public, from the government, from the people who can harm your data, who can use your IP to do something wrong with you. So all these can be done through VPN. You can be hidden. For example, ABC you are sending, it can go as $_#. So your data is encrypted also. So how does VPN actually work? What is VPN? How does it work? So first thing is virtual private network. Virtual private network means any network which is privately for you and it is virtual. You will not be able to show that network, or anybody cannot see your network. So when without this VPN or proxy server, if you use say any website or say access any website, then your IP address is exposed. Your IP address is known to everyone. It can be adware, it can be government, it can be some snooper or eavesdropper, or anybody who is a hacker. They can get your data because it is all open. Okay, everywhere. The IP is also open, and main tracker is your IP. When you use a VPN, this is your IP address. It goes through the VPN client, and now this VPN client, your data is encrypted. This encrypted data, it goes to the ISP. So the IP is also hidden now, and the internet service provider, because the data is already encrypted, the ISP will not be able to decrypt it. So your VPN traffic passes through this ISP, but it's encrypted. So your ISP also is unaware of what is going inside. And when it goes from VPN server, the government, spies, adware, hackers, they won't be able to guess or get your data. From VPN server, when the request is asked, this is your path being followed, and now your direct path is not viable. So VPN server will now change your IP. So the internet will know your IP as, for example, this case, it is changed 77.234.44.180. So this is IP hiding also, and along with this there is a tunnel which is an encrypted tunnel. So instead of sending the internet traffic, for example searching, uploading, downloading directly to the ISP, the VPN first routes your data through the VPN server. So in this way, when your data is finally transmitted to the internet, it appears it is coming from VPN server, not your personal device or your device of your company. So from IP, you are known everywhere because IP is the unique number by which you are known. So without a VPN, your IP address, a special unique number of your home, is visible on the web. With VPN, it is not. So it also adds a layer of encryption or a tunnel which you see on the right, an example, around your identity, around your data as you connect to the outside world or outside internet. So you have a VPN server. So the combination of the VPN server along with this encryption tunnel blocks any ISP, any government, any hacker or anyone else as a snooper or a spy. When you navigate the web, they all are avoided and ignored. So what are the different types of VPNs, different types of VPN? So we are not following any ISO, there is no IEEE categorization. So there are four main types of VPN. First is remote access VPNs. Then you have personal VPN services, site-to-site VPNs and mobile VPNs. There is one more categorization, and this are the types of virtual private network, VPN, site-to-site IPsec, remote access. Inside this site-to-site, we have route-based and policy-based. In the remote access, we have client-based and clientless. In client-based, we have IPsec and TLS, and in clientless, we have TLS. So two of the most important here is the site-to-site VPN, and this is also called or known as router-to-router VPNs. So your company, say one office is in India, America, the other one is in Nigeria. So there are three separate locations. So this type of VPN is mostly employed, or mostly the usage is with the corporate environment. Specifically when your organization or enterprise has headquarters or location in different countries or different places. So the site-to-site VPN creates a closed network, closed internal network. These are the tunnels I am talking about, where the various locations can all connect with each other over an internet which is a public space. So this is also called as intranet. So you are using a VPN on the layer of openness, you are making a layer of closeness. Then we have this remote access VPN. So this helps or allows the user to connect to another network. It can be your internet, it can be their company's internal system through a private encryption tunnel, and this is called as remote access VPN. So I hope you have a better idea of VPN now. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.